Usually it's the bad guys who want to take off after they drill somebody.
Hey! What's up, my peoples? EmGo here, the freaking geek himself, and today we will be reviewing the Kamen Rider Geats DX Propeller and Drill Raise Buckles. So here we are, and there they are, and first and foremost, as always, we'll take a quick look at the packaging. Right up front here, we have the buckles. Up top, we have Tycoon, we got Geats. On this side, we have the buckles. On this side, Drill Raise Buckle, Propeller Raise Buckle, Desire Grand Prix. Up top, we have the driver. On the bottom, words, things. Warning, don't eat anything in this box. That could be very bad for you. On the back of the box, we have our obligatory product shots, and we have Sad Pac-Man. That's basically it for the packaging. And moving right along, here we have the Drill and Propeller Raise Buckles. Another little 2-pack of buckles, which is quite nice. But first, we'll take a look at the Drill Raise Buckle. You can see it done in brown and black. The drill itself done in silver. And your typical raise buckly goodness as far as the other detailing goes. And of course, you have the QR code. You want to scan it, go ahead, free scan on me. You are welcome. And to activate the drill buckle, you're just going to pull it back like so, and that is how that works. And here we have the Propeller Raise Buckle with a big old propeller done in that silver-ish plastic. Again, your typical raise buckly goodness. Scan QR code, scan it, free scan, you're welcome. And to activate propeller, you're just going to turn the propeller like so. That is how that works. So without further ado, let's bring in the Desire Driver and our friend the Rider can. Because if the Rider can, you can. So let's get down to it. So we're going to start off with Drill. So you have your armed drill, ready, fight, and our attack.
Drill, strike.
And there you have your drill strike. And we have that, and now for propeller. You have your armed propeller and our attack.
Propeller, strike.
And your propeller strike. And now we'll do a combo of the two together. Fight!
Propeller, drill, victory.
And you have your propeller drill victory. And now we'll do drill with a boost. And there you have that.
Boost, drill, victory.
Boost Drill Grand Victory. And now we'll do Propeller and a boost. And explosions, the grandest of explosions. And lastly but not leastly, the Magnum Shoot-Off Fall 0X. There's Drill, and now Propeller. So there you go. So there you have the Drill and Propeller raised buckles. Some more raised buckles for your buckling shelf of buckleness. So there you go. Now I picked these up from CS Toys, but of course there are many other sites you can go to for stuff like this if you're interested, such as Hobby Link Japan, Ami Ami, Hobby Search, Mandarake, of course there's always eBay and Amazon. You can also check out BigBadToyStore.com for Geats items. I'll put a link to their site in the description down below so you can check that out. You can also check out the Geats playlist for any reviews you may have missed. Also linked in the description down below so you can check that out as well. And I think that's it. So don't forget to check out EmGo's, check out Love Peace Paranormal, follow me on Twitter, all of that good stuff down in the description below. And I think that's pretty much all there is to say. So there is the Kamen Rider Geats DX Drill and Propeller raised buckles. And this is EmGo saying, remember, you don't stop playing because you grow old. You grow old because you stop playing. Be geek, be proud, palm in your face.